Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this video we will know about scale feature. For scale feature I create a cube, top plane, sketch, normal, 100 mm, 100 mm. OK. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch, extruded boss base feature, mid plane, 100 mm, OK. From here insert, features, scale feature. Scale about centroid origin coordinate system. First is centroid. Here enter scale factor. I enter 2. OK. This cube is double in size. 200, 200, 200. Select this. Delete. Again. Insert. Features. Scale. Origin. Now I enter 3. OK. Now its size is 3 times 300, 300, 300. Select this. Delete. Third is coordinate system. For coordinate system, first of all I create a coordinate system. I select this corner point, x-axis, I select this direction, y-axis, I select this direction, and z-axis is downward. OK. Again insert, features, scale, coordinate system, select coordinate system, scale factor. Now I enter 0.5. I enter scale factor of 0.5. Now its size will be half, 50 mm, 50 mm, and this one is also 50 mm. This is the scale feature. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.